Good morning, class. Today we are going to do our exercise number 18.4 of the tense present continuous tense. This exercise deals with negative form. In this exercise, we are having sentences in the affirmative form and we have to convert them into negative form. But before starting, let us recapitulate the fact that negative words goes with not word. We know it well. But student, this not word doesn't come alone. It always requires the shelter of any helping verb. नॉट वर्ड कभी भी बेटा अकेला नहीं आता, इसे हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब की हेल्प चाहिए होती है. इज इट ओके? नाउ लेट अस गो थ्रू द एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज निकिता loves story books. Now in this sentence we see that we are not having any helping verb and the subject is singular. Nikita is singular subject, so with singular subject we go with does not and with plural ones we go with do not. So we will write here Nikita does not, Nikita does not. Now we have already added s here, so this s will not come. Nikita does not love story books. Nikita does not love story books. Similarly, in second sentence, the captain is giving instructions to the crew members. But here we are having helping verb is here, so directly we can put not. The captain is not giving instruction to the crew members. You can write it here by your own. In next sentence, members of this team play well. Now we are talking about the members of this team. We are talking about members. So we are talking about plural subject and we are seeing that no helping verb is given here. So we will make use of do not, because with plural subject we go with do not to make negative. Members of this team members of this team do not play well. We will add the word do not here. Is it okay, students? So at number 4 we are having the sentence the horses are standing under the shade of trees. The horses are not standing in order to convert it into negative sentence. Next is Martha tells a lie. Now Martha is a girl and it is singular in subject. So Martha doesn't tell a lie. We will write Martha does not. Now the word tells become tell because we have already added s here. Martha doesn't tell a lie. Is it okay? Always keep it in mind that while using does not, does word, you will not add s here. Okay, even if the subject is singular here. Next is Shivika plays chess. Now we see that Shivika is again singular, so like the sentence number 5 we will write 6 Shivika does not play chess. शिविका चेस नहीं खेलती है. नेक्स्ट इज माई सिस्टर गोज टू हर ऑफिस बाय metro. now my sister, now we are again talking about my sister, only singular. So my sister does not go. We will go with the word does not go. Here s and es will be omitted. Next is this movie contains violence. Now this movie does not, this movie singular subject is here, so we will go with does not contain. The word contains will become contain. This movie does not contain violence. At number 9, the government is helping the poor. The government is not helping the poor, because we are having helping verb here, so we will directly add the negative form, the not word here. They perform yoga every day. Now we see that they, now the subject is plural, so we will go with do or does. We will go with do. They do not perform yoga every डे. वो रोज़ योगा नहीं करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so this was your exercise number 18.4. I am sure that now you have well acquainted with the rules of to change affirmative sentences into negative one. Thank you students. Good.